Hi, my name is Dwayne Dortch, and today we're going to talk about using GitHub Actions with Akamai. In today's fast-paced development environment, it's essential that we automate as much of the build, test, deploy process as possible. Continuous integration and continuous development, or CI/CD tools, like Jenkins, Bamboo, TeamCity, and others, have been used for years to assist in this process. If you use GitHub for code hosting and collaboration, you can take advantage of the CI/CD tool that's included in the GitHub platform called GitHub Actions. With GitHub Actions, you can create workflows that automate tasks based on activity in your repository, like performing a build upon every push to your repository, or deploying merge pull requests to production. As an Akamai customer, some of the tasks you may wish to automate include purging the Akamai cache, updating Edge DNS zones, deploying an update to an Edge worker, uploading to net storage, or annotating changes in Akamai's real user monitoring tool, Mpulse. Let's take a closer look at GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions are defined in a workflow YAML file, which specifies events, jobs, runners, steps, and actions. Events are the trigger for the workflow. For example, do something on every push to the repository. Jobs are a group of steps and actions. Runners are the container environment upon which the code runs. By default, GitHub runs this container for you, but you can host your own runner if you'd like to. Steps are a group of actions within a job, and actions are the activities themselves that get run. Let's go to GitHub and show you how to set up an Akamai action. Okay, now I'm in GitHub, and I've previously set up a repository for a geolocation edge worker. Let's go to the Actions section and select New Workflow. Then we'll select Set up a workflow yourself. Go over to the Marketplace section and search for Akamai. Here you'll see several pre-written Akamai actions that you can use. Let's look at the Annotate Akamai Mpulse action. This action can be used to write an annotation in Mpulse, Akamai's real user monitoring tool, whenever you make a code change. This will allow you to keep track of changes in performance by release. Click on Annotate Akamai Mpulse to open the action. Notice the editor on the left of the screen, which is a new YAML file template. You can copy the code from the Marketplace section and paste it into the editor in the Jobs section. Notice that the YAML file is created in the .github/workflows directory of your repository. The file must be located in this directory structure in order to work. Let's take a look at my main.yaml file. I've given it the name GitHub CI. This workflow will execute on any push to or pull request from the main branch. In the Jobs section is what I copied from the Marketplace code. I've got one step named Annotation Start of Deployment and runs code contributed by user JDMevo123. We pass in several arguments. The first is the auth token, which is your Mpulse API token. This can be found in the My Settings section of Mpulse. Rather than exposing the API token in your YAML file, it's best practice to place it within a secret in GitHub. You can do this by going to Settings, Secrets, New Repository Secret, where you can enter a secret name and value in a secure manner. Now going back to our YAML file, you can reference the API token through the variable secrets dot whatever you called your secret. We also pass in a title, which in this case is the repository name and build number, any text, which is the message that was used for the commit, and the name of the Mpulse tenant, Akamai demo in this case. Now let's test our new action. I'm going to go back to the code section of my repository and modify one of the JavaScript files. Now I'll commit this change. Notice the orange dot associated with the modified JS file. This indicates that an action is executing based on the commit. We can go to the Actions section for more details. Here we'll find more detail on the execution of the current action, as well as a history of previous executions. Now let's go to Impulse and see if the annotation was actually created. And here we see this latest annotation. GitHub Actions are a great way to help automate your build, test, deploy process. And the predefined Akamai actions in the marketplace provide a quick and easy way to include the Akamai platform in your automated workflow. Thanks for watching today. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions on this topic.